Din yung i-text. Mamaya. Okay, John, question. I'd like to ask you. You're a nursing student pero kabilang ka sa Campus Media Network. Bakit mo naisip na sumali dito kahit ibang-iba at sabi nga nila taliwas ang iyong course?
Kasi sa totoo po, hindi po talaga nursing yung first choice ko.
Hindi siya ang first choice
Opo.
mo. What is your first choice?
Mass communication po talaga ang gusto kong gawin. Pero, nung papasok na ako ng college, parang pinagsabihin ako ng aking father na, kasi that time, puso ang nursing talaga. And, dati kasi, parang naset ko sa isip ko na gusto kong pumunta ng ibang bansa. So,
Okay.
naisip ko na yung nursing nga naman, parang napakagandang reason para makapag-abroad kagad ako. So,
Isang magandang paraan.
Opo.
And hanggang ngayon ba, ikaw ba, sa palagay mo, gusto mo ipagpatuloy yung nursing mo? O, kasi you're fourth year na. Some people might say it might be a little too late for you to shift. Anong plan?
Kung kaya akong pagsabayin, gagawin ko po yun. Kasi yung nursing and yung parang love ko sa mass media, talaga, hindi ko kaya mamili ng isa. So, kung hanggat kaya,
Kung kaya mo. Alam mo, that's perfect na nabanggit mo yun, John, no? Kasi I was just reading recently about having a portfolio career. And I think that sounds very, parang nakakalawak pag sinabi
Portfolio, ano?
career, but it just
Parang pages.
being a little flexible in terms of what...
Parang diary, yan ang portfolio.
Never...
Kasi dentistry yan si Miss M.
Of course, I took in UP. But I was a development graduate, which is
Ah,
actually a mixture of
sabi nila, sir, i-video ko daw, sir.
science, and planning. It's very different from what I'm doing now. Pero napansin ko, I've excelled mostly in the field of mass communication. Pero